All right, now as I can see, as I told you here, the lockdown browser is here, and here you require a respondent lockdown browser for this exam. By the way, it should be, there is another link here which should be which would call respondent monitor, but I think the university doesn't activate this link here. I think because is the purpose of the respondent monitor lockdown is that means the students, they have to open the webcam and show their surrounding and to see if there is another materials or not, to also to show their ID, to see the students behavior during the exams and record whatever students are doing during the exams. But this function is not activated here through my university, so it's not available there. But there is something called or lockdown monitor browser or respondent monitor browser. So it's not there. It's not available. You can see here. I will go down. As I said here, the respondent lockdown browsers. So we have here the browsers, and here you have in this area the monitor, but it's not available there. If you have questions, what is it? So, and maybe this you can contact the IT and ask if they can make it available there. All right. So this is regarding the some of the instructor may ask. All right. If we do the lockdown browsers, the student can use another device to cheat, or to look for to find the answers. Maybe they can use their smartphone or some other device. Yes, they can do that, but as an instructor you need to design your questions, whether beginners, intermediate, advanced, so you can do a different model through the exams, and you can challenge the students in the side exams, which they can don't have time to go find the answer, what is it, and because you're going to limit the time for the exams, and try to be creative as possible as you can to do the online exam. So this is how to administer or to design the test inside the lockdown through the lockdown browsers. Now let's take something else where now how to create the exams. I think some of you still have struggled. Okay, now we know how to do to publish the exam and send the students through the online, and the students can take it on the lockdown browsers. And but I forgot to tell you that here in the lockdown browsers, you need to share the link with these students in order to download the lockdown browser. Go back again. I don't need to go there. I go here to the lockdown browsers. I'm going to click again, and you need to go to getting started here, and there is here information for syllabus and course description. Yes, here this is the link for the students that they need to download. They need to download the lockdown browser. So they have to go. You copy this link and you share it with the students to download the lockdown browsers. As you can see, this is the way I did it here with my students. I create tutorial guide for them. I ask them to here to see explain what is the lockdown browsers. If they have PC or Mac, they have to download this one to choose the kind of window, and I show them what is here the lockdown browsers, and I have the Mac where they can go and do it. And also then the final pictures of the lockdown browser is going to be like this for Qatar University, and step by step they can help them how to install the lockdown browser in their computer. Also here we have also another version. I did in Arabic too. I did in English and in Arabic to help also my Arabic students. Okay, now let's go back again to see how we can create a test. I'm gonna go to the same course tool here. Then I will go to test survey, and pools. So I'm gonna go to this icon, I'm gonna click on it. So I have here three options in this one here. I have test. Let's open it here. I have test, I have survey, I have polls. So I'd like to know what is the difference between a survey. All of us, we know how to do surveys, and you can do surveys here, but I'd like to know, I explain what's the difference between test and polls. So there is a big difference here between this here. This we call polls. That means when we need to create different modules. What I mean by here, we call it sometimes item bank. Maybe I need to create different type of questions, like a different type of or level of questions. Like I need to create questions, a block for intermediate or beginners, and then a block from intermediate, or a block for advanced users. So I have different questions here in the item bank, and then when I come to the test, I'm gonna select maybe 10 questions from each block. Why this is, maybe you can since have a chance to from difficult, I can, when I go to the test, I'm gonna select, okay, for example, if I create here like by 20 questions from each block. So in this test, I can select, maybe I can ask the system, select me 5 questions from each block in order to create the exam. It's gonna select you 5 questions from beginners, 5 questions from intermediate, and 5 questions from advanced questions. So or other, maybe if some instructors are teaching the same course, maybe 3 or 5 instructors they are teaching the same course, they can also collaborate, like create a set of exams and then share those exams, and they can upload them to pools, and then they can increase their item bank. Now let's see here. I'm gonna show you how to create first I'm gonna go to the test and select how to create a test. I'm gonna select test here. I already have some tests in my systems. So first I'm gonna go select build test. So when I can say build test, let's see here, I'm gonna name the test is quiz. I don't need to do descriptions. If you need to do description for the test and instructions, you can do that. And then I say okay, submit. So mine is here, quiz is ready to create now. I can create questions. So here, if you already have questions in the system, you can upload them, but there is specific way to create exams. But if you have questions here, maybe your friend or your colleague or create questions already in the Blackboard, and he export them and he send them to you, yes, it's easy for you to go to this icon and upload them and insert them for you in the Blackboard. Here, if you have already questions in the system and you'd like to use them, whether you can create a set or a block or find questions, but we are going to create, just for the sake for the time, create new questions. So you have different type of questions here, different kind of type of questions. You have calculated, formula, numeric, either or, essay, fire response, and fill in multiple blank and fill in the blank. Let's select one of these and work with them. So first here, I'm gonna create questions. I did here for me a document. Let's select for multiple choice questions. Examples here. I'm gonna, okay, what's the number of and instead of, to save the time, go back again, just I have ready questions here. I said multiple choice questions, go here, I say question number 1. I don't need to do, just I'm gonna create, I say okay here, I'm not gonna copy it here, or the name, I don't need to do title for the questions, but I'm gonna do the questions here. Okay, and then I go to select the correct. I have how many answers I have. I have, like, here 4. So I'm gonna say, okay, 4, 5, 6. Then the correct answer is B. Then I go back again to, I have here just only 3 multiple choices. I'm gonna select 3. The minimum is 4. So you have to select the minimum is 4 options. Well, okay, let's do another third choices. Okay, you can select here 4 and number choice, and number 2 is, it says 4, what is it, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, and then here 7. And then I said, okay, the correct answer is number B. So I'm gonna select the correct answer. I have to select the correct answer is 2, which is, then my question is ready to say, okay, I'm gonna say here, if you want to do a feedback for the students about the correct answer or explain it, you don't have to do this one. That you got, if here you want to add a tag for or category for the questions, whether what is the difficulty, is it beginner, is it intermediate, this is a reference for you in the future. When you just, I'm gonna click submit. Okay, here create the question for me. So is 5 number 1, but here I need to make to change it to A, B, C, D, because here it doesn't show me anything. Then I go back again and click here, I edit. Now to edit the same questions, I can go back and edit the same questions. I'm gonna change in this area here. Okay, answer numbering none. So here you can say A, B, C, D. Let's change the cases. All right, and then you go click, say okay, submit. You see, now it's changed A, B, C, and then my correct answer is B. And okay, this is one multiple choices. And if I want to copy the same questions and change the content, you can do that. You just copy, and it's gonna copy new questions. Just you're gonna edit. You can say, all right, let's show you how to do it. Copy. So it's gonna be copy the same questions, but I want to change the content of the questions. Yes, you can do that. Here the questions again, but look here, you need to erase this one and change the questions again. But okay, I'm not gonna do this again. I'm gonna cancel it here. But this is if you want to copy the questions. Let's do another one now. I'm gonna do another questions, which is an example for multiple answers. So this is here for, if I want to check, you see, maybe 3 answers. Okay, I'm gonna go select the questions here. Which of the following prime number? Let's say all right. So I have like 6 choices. I'll go again, create new questions, multiple answers. I go here, choose multiple answers. First we choose multiple choice, now multiple answers. Go there. Here again the questions gonna be here in the text, and then I'm gonna select A, B, C, D. So you have to select whether Arabic numeral or Roman or what. A, B, C, D, lowercase letters. It's good. So let's see here. Okay, now it's ready for me. I'm gonna say here 1. Oh, I see 4. But you can add here. You can say I need a number of answers. I can need like number 6 or 7. I can select 6. And then I have here 4, 5, here 6, here 7. All right, here 8, and I think here 9. So now I want to see what is the right answer. For example, I can say this one and this one. So here, because you say the